Hello aspirants, welcome back to PyQuant. Here I'm back with another time and work problem. Here today we're going to learn about, as earlier we have discussed about this direct and indirect proportion concept that is very useful in time and work chapter. So here we understand this concept with an example. 3 men can do a piece of work in 20 days. In how many days can 12 men can do the same work? Here it is an example of indirect proportion because here 3 men and days are indirectly proportion. If one value increases, then other value decreases. If one value decreases, then the other value increases. So this is an example of indirect proportion. That means A by B is equals to, here it is given that 3 men can do a piece of work in 20 days. In how many days? 12 men can do the same work in how many days? So here let us assume that this is A and this is B, and here and this is A dash and this is B dash. So since number of men increased, number of days to complete the work will decrease. So here it is increased, here this value will be decreased, because if more men participate in doing a work, then it would take less days to complete the work, right? So that we'll apply this formula here, which is nothing but 3 by 12 equals to B dash by A dash. B dash that we do not know, by A dash. A dash is 20. This value by this value, 3 value by 12 equals to B dash by 12. 3 ones are 3 fours are 4 ones are 4 fives are. So B dash is nothing but 5 days. So it would take 12 men to complete the same work in 5 days, whereas 3 men can do in 20 days. Fair enough, because 3 men less men, so it took 20 days, whereas 12 men more men, it would take 5 days. I hope you have understood this problem, guys. Thank you.